Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing about the top 10 countries that have the most wild animals. Let's get started. Number 10. Australia. The continent of Australia is home to some of the world's most dangerous animals, such as the saltwater crocodile, funnel web spider, and box jellyfish. It is one of the only continents with venomous snakes and has more than 3,500 species of them. And these are just a few examples of the many wild animals found in Australia. With its unique ecosystem, it is no surprise that Australia is home to so many wild animals. In fact, it is estimated that there are over 60,000 animal species in Australia, with 87% of them being found nowhere else in the world. This makes Australia one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. One of the reasons for this high biodiversity is the continent's long isolation from other land masses. This allowed for the evolution of unique and sometimes strange-looking animals without the influence of other species. Additionally, Australia's varied terrain, which includes deserts, rainforests, and coastal areas, provides habitats for a wide variety of animals. Some of the most iconic Australian animals include kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and echidnas. These animals are not only unique, but also well adapted to their environment. For example, kangaroos are known for their powerful legs and large feet, which allow them to hop around the outback with ease. Koalas have thick, soft fur that helps them stay warm in the cold desert nights. Wombats have strong claws that help them dig burrows, and echidnas have long, sticky tongues for catching ants and termites. Overall, Australia's unique ecosystem and isolation have allowed for the evolution of a wide variety of animals, making it one of the countries with the most wild animals in the world. 9. India. India is a country with a lot of wild animals. The country is home to a variety of climates and habitats, ranging from the Himalayan mountains to the tropical forests of the south. This variety of habitats supports a wide range of wildlife. India is home to a variety of large mammals, including tigers, elephants, rhinoceroses, and bears. In addition, India is home to a variety of primates, including several species of monkeys and the rare and endangered orangutan. India's forests are also home to a variety of reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and turtles. Some of these reptiles are venomous and can be dangerous to humans, while others are harmless. India is also home to a variety of bird species, including peacocks, parrots, and vultures. The country is also home to a variety of amphibian species, including frogs and toads. India's wetlands are also home to a variety of fish species. Some of these fish are important sources of protein for the people who live in India. Despite the variety of wildlife in India, the country's forests are under threat from a variety of factors, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. As a result, many of India's wildlife species are endangered. However, the Indian government is working to protect the country's forests and wildlife through a variety of measures, including the establishment of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. These protected areas provide safe havens for wildlife and also allow people to enjoy the beauty of India's natural heritage. 8. Brazil. Brazil is a country with an incredibly diverse ecosystem that is home to a wide variety of animals. The Amazon rainforest alone, which is mostly located in Brazil, is home to over 60,000 species of animals, including 131 families of mammals, 800 species of reptiles, and 1,300 species of amphibians. Some of the most iconic Brazilian animals include the jaguar, the sloth, the toucan, the macaw, and the capybara. The jaguar is the third largest cat in the world and is an apex predator in its ecosystem. Sloths are known for their slow-moving lifestyle and distinctive fur. Toucans have large, colorful beaks that they use to eat fruit, and macaws are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. The capybara is the world's largest rodent and is a herbivore. Brazil is also home to a number of endangered and threatened species, including the golden lion tamarin, the black howler monkey, the blue morpho butterfly, and the harpy eagle. Habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change are some of the major threats to these species. The Brazilian government and environmental organizations are working to protect these animals and their habitats through conservation efforts. Number 7. United States. The United States is home to a wide variety of animals, from the bald eagle to the bison to the California condor. The country's diverse geography, which ranges from the Rocky Mountains to the Great Plains to the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest, provides a variety of habitats that support diverse wildlife. The United States is home to more than 200 species of mammals, including some of the largest animals in the world, such as the North American bison and the marine mammal, the California sea lion. The country is also home to a variety of reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and turtles. The American alligator is one of the most well-known reptiles in the United States. The United States is also home to a wide variety of bird species, including the bald eagle, the California condor, and the wild turkey. The country's national parks, such as Yellowstone and Yosemite, are home to a variety of wildlife, including bears, wolves, and elk. The United States has a long history of conservation efforts, which have helped to protect some of the country's most iconic animals from extinction. The country has national parks and wildlife refuges, provide habitat for a variety of wildlife, and allow visitors to experience the beauty of America's natural heritage. Number 6. China. China is home to a wide variety of animals, from the giant panda to the Chinese tiger to the red-crowned crane. The country's diverse geography, which ranges from the Himalayas to the Tibetan Plateau to the lush forests of the south, provides a variety of habitats that support diverse wildlife. China is home to more than 600 species of mammals, including some of the rarest animals in the world, such as the giant panda and the Tibetan antelope. The country is also home to a variety of reptiles, including the Chinese alligator and the Chinese softshell turtle. China is also home to a wide variety of bird species, including the red-crowned crane, the Chinese pheasant, and the white stork. The country's national parks, such as Zhuhai-Gu and Huangshan, are home to a variety of wildlife, including pandas, golden monkeys, and snub-nosed macaques. China has a long history of conservation efforts, which have helped to protect some of the country's most iconic animals from extinction. The giant panda, which was once on the brink of extinction, is now listed as vulnerable rather than endangered. No. 5. South Africa. South Africa is a country located at the southern tip of the African continent. It is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to a wide variety of animals. South Africa is famous for its safari destinations where tourists can go on game drives to see wildlife in their natural habitat. The country is home to the Big Five, which includes lions, elephants, rhinos, leopards, and buffaloes. South Africa is also home to a variety of other mammals, including giraffes, zebras, wildebeest, and antelopes. The country's coastal waters are home to a variety of marine life, including dolphins, whales, and seals. South Africa is also known for its bird life and is home to a variety of bird species, including the African penguin, the Cape sugarbird, and the Marshall eagle. Conservation efforts in South Africa have been successful in protecting some of the country's most iconic animals from extinction. The black rhino, which was once on the brink of extinction, is now listed as critically endangered. Number 4. Mexico. Mexico is home to a diverse range of animals from the gray whale to the Mexican axolotl and the harpy eagle. Its varied terrain, which includes mountains, deserts, and tropical forests, provides habitats for a variety of species. Mexico is home to over 600 species of mammals, including the Mexican gray wolf and the jaguar. The country is also home to a variety of reptiles, amphibians, and birds. The Mexican axolotl is a critically endangered species of salamander that is found in Mexico. It is known for its ability to regenerate limbs and other body parts. Harpy eagles are the largest and most powerful eagles in the Western Hemisphere, and they can be found in Mexico's cloud forests. Mexico is home to over 1,000 species of birds, including the resplendent quetzal, the harpy eagle, and the Yucatan jay. The country is also home to a variety of marine species, including whale sharks, manta rays, and sea turtles. Conservation efforts in Mexico have helped to protect some of the country's most iconic animals from extinction. The vaquita, a small porpoise that is found in the Gulf of California, is the world's rarest marine mammal with only a few dozen individuals left in the wild. Number 3. Indonesia. Indonesia is a country located in Southeast Asia, and it is home to a wide variety of animals. Indonesia is known for its lush rainforests, beautiful beaches, and stunning coral reefs, all of which provide habitat for a variety of wildlife. The country is home to a variety of primates, including the orangutan, the Javan gibbon, and the macaque. Indonesia is also home to a variety of reptiles, including the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, and a variety of snakes. The country is also home to a wide variety of bird species, including the majestic balimina and the rare and endangered kakapo. Indonesia is also home to a variety of marine species, including dolphins, whales, and a variety of colorful fish. The waters surrounding Indonesia's many islands are home to some of the world's most beautiful coral reefs, which are home to a variety of fish and other marine life. Some of the most iconic animals in Indonesia include the orangutan, the Komodo dragon, and the Bali menga. Orangutans are known for their intelligence and their ability to use tools. Komodo dragons are fierce predators that are capable of taking down large prey. And the Bali myna is a beautiful bird that is sadly endangered. Unfortunately, many of Indonesia's animals are threatened by habitat loss and poaching. The country's rainforests are being cut down at a rapid rate, which is destroying the homes of many animals. Poachers often target rare and endangered species for their body parts, which are then sold on the black market. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Indonesia's animals and their habitats, but more needs to be done. Number 2. Russia. Russia is a huge country that spans across 2 continents, Europe and Asia. It is home to a wide variety of animals, from the polar bear to the Siberian tiger to the Eurasian lynx. The vast wilderness of Russia provides habitat for a variety of species, including over 500 species of mammals. Russia is home to a variety of predators, including wolves, bears, and wolverines. The country is also home to a variety of herbivores, including reindeer, moose, and squirrels. Russia is also home to a variety of bird species, including the Siberian crane, the golden eagle, and the white stork. Some of the most iconic animals in Russia include the polar bear, which is the world's largest land predator, the Siberian tiger, which is the largest cat species in the world, and the Eurasian lynx, which is one of the most elusive and mysterious wild cats in the world. Unfortunately, many of Russia's animals are threatened by habitat loss and poaching. The country's forests are being cut down at a rapid rate, which is destroying the homes of many animals. Poachers often target rare and endangered species for their body parts, which are then sold on the black market. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Russia's animals and their habitats, but more needs to be done. Number 1. India. India is home to a wide variety of animals, from the Bengal tiger to the Indian elephant to the one-horned rhinoceros. The country's diverse geography, which ranges from the Himalayas to the tropical forests of the south, provides a variety of habitats that support diverse wildlife. India is home to over 500 species of mammals, including some of the largest animals in the world, such as the Indian elephant and the Bengal tiger. The country is also home to a variety of reptiles, including the Indian cobra and the mugger crocodile. India is also home to a wide variety of bird species, including the Indian peafowl and the Himalayan manal. India is also home to a variety of marine species, including dolphins, whales, and turtles. Some of the most iconic animals in India include the Bengal tiger, the Indian elephant, and the one-horned rhinoceros. The Bengal tiger is known for its distinctive orange and black stripes and is one of the most endangered subspecies of tiger. The Indian elephant is the largest living land mammal in India and is known for its intelligence and social behavior. The one-horned rhinoceros is one of the rarest animals in the world and is found only in a few locations in India. Unfortunately, many of India's animals are threatened by habitat loss and poaching. The country's forests are being cut down at a rapid rate, which is destroying the homes of many animals. Poachers often target rare and endangered species for their body parts, which are then sold on the black market. Conservation efforts are underway to protect India's animals and their habitats, but more needs to be done. We hope you enjoyed learning about the top 10 countries that have the most wild animals. Each country has its own unique and fascinating wildlife, and we encourage you to learn more about the animals that live in each of these places. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.